Okay. Great. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Let's Play series of Sifu. Now, there are a couple reasons why I'm doing this. The biggest reason why I'm doing this is because, thanks to your guys' help, and I'm going to go a little bit brighter. I'm going to go based off of your guys' screen, so that way you guys can see. I've noticed when I've checked older footage, there's some games like Alien Isolation where you guys can't really see anything. And I feel super terrible about that because I want to make this stuff that you guys can see. And it's pretty bright for me, but that works pretty good for you guys. Let me see, not visible. Okay, so I'm going to go there. That's pretty bright, but I want to make sure you guys can see. Classic light. Interesting. So this is Sifu. And I am playing this game Byakua's. It was recommended to me to play. And student, disciple, master. I'll do disciple. Oh, cool. And so this game was recommended to me to play, and I'm excited to be playing it. But because we reached 8,000 subscribers, and now by the time of this recording, 9,000 subscribers. Wow! Thank you, everyone. This was in celebration of 8,000 subscribers. But now we're past 9,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. I am super excited to be making more videos for you guys, more video game content, more Magic the Gathering content, which thank you for your patience on that. Things have been super crazy, and I'm trying to catch up on all that as best as I can. So, with that said, let's get into this game. I'm super excited. And I hope... Oh, there's someone on the... Oh, there's people hopping around in the background there. 8 years ago. Oh, hi. This is me. Okay. Ooh, the rain is like bouncing on my controller a lot. I love... Oh. Interesting. Dodge. Kick moves. Counter. Interesting. The rain is affecting the controller a lot, which is really cool. I love that experience. The biggest thing I'm worried about right now... Oh! Gotcha! Interesting. Oh, this is going to be tricky. I'm going to have to learn button combinations and time things. I am not good at timing things.
Get out of my way.
Leave him to me.
Oh! Oh! Come on. Whoa! Ah! Ah, come on! I'm pressing the deflect button. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So the biggest thing I'm worried about right now is I was just trying to do some recordings with Arc Raiders and The Killing Floor 3. And my controller, for just those two recordings, only those two, was acting out like crazy. It was aiming me down the sights without me pressing any buttons. It was shooting the gun no matter what button I pressed. I'm not joking. I was playing Arc Raiders, and I was pressing the L3 button. That's the left joystick button right there. I was pressing that button to sprint, and it was shooting the gun. Whoa! Oh, hi there.
fight, I'm barely breaking a sweat.
Interesting. Don't be arrogant. Sweep the place.
Sweep the place. Nobody leaves.
Okay.
Sure.
Interesting. I have no idea what this story is. I'm very fascinated. Anyway, so yeah, I'm kind of on the edge of my seat as far as concern goes, because the last two recordings I just did not go well. I mean, they're gonna be fine, and people are gonna comment below about how terrible I am at those games, which is fair because I am. But also, sprinting. Gotcha. Anyway, all that said, I am actually very excited to play this game. I have no idea what this. I've seen the short video from the Amazon series.
Who the hell is that?
Hi guys.
Get him now!
Oh. Oh. Nice. There we go. Yeah, so I'm very excited to play this game because I've seen the short for this series. What? I didn't... Dude, if the controller starts acting up again, I'm gonna be really upset.
Yang! How dare you set foot in here again?
Oh! Oh! Nice! I don't know what I'm doing. But I guess I'm fighting you guys. Okay. Interesting. Anything I can do besides just wander through? I guess wandering through is just kind of the thing I'm going to do because this is the intro.
Where is he?
Oh, wow. Okay. So these are the guys I saw climbing on the rooftop earlier. Oh, this... Okay.
Stop.
Oh,
Yang. Of course.
interesting.
Going slow. Sifu.
Oh. That's me, Sifu.
You know why I'm here, don't you? Just step aside.
Wait, what? Wait, aren't I Sifu?
You were a mistake.
Whoa, a mistake.
I should never have taught you. Now you know too much.
Okay. What?
By returning here tonight, you've given me a second chance.
Whoa.
This time, I will do what I must.
What? Okay, I gotta play this smart. Whoa! Ah, there we go. Whoa! Okay. What? I'm countering! There we go. Nice! Whoa! Okay, well I did the button, so that was just cinematic. So I assume I'm supposed to lose. I assume I'm supposed to lose.
When I look into your eyes, I see nothing
Okay. Ow! Whoa! Oh, what? Press the... Oy vey. Wait, what? Oh! Okay. Interesting. Okay, whoa. I'm not doing that. Controller game. Why? Oh my gosh. I'm not doing that, guys. I'm not doing this. Stop, game, please. I don't know why this is happening all of a sudden. Oh my gosh, I don't know why that's happening. Oh, I won. I wasn't expecting to win. I thought I was gonna lose. Oh. Right. Sifu's me. I'm the kid. Right.
Show yourself.
Choose your character, boy, girl. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know that's so cool. I mean, I'm going to do the boy because that's what I saw on the cover. That's what I thought. Oh, that's so cool though. You could be a girl. I love that. That's so cool. Okay. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, leave me alone. The art style for this game is very much like... Absolver. What is that game called? Oh no. Oh boy. Slowclap presents.
Father.
Oh. In association with Kowloon Knights. Oh boy. Oh! Oh! Oh, I bet. So if you chose the girl, this cutscene would be from the girl's perspective, which is super cool. What? Ow. Ah! Okay, listen, dude. Okay, there we go. Interesting. Okay. But if you pick the girl, that this entire sequence would be with the girl, which is super cool. The fighter. Avoid high attacks. Oh my gosh. I have to do... Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna be bad at this game. I'm gonna be so bad at this game. You guys know how bad I was at what was that? Absolver? Was that the other fighting game that I was just terrible at? Ow! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so bad at this game. I'm gonna be terribly bad at this game. But I love that this is the credits. We get credit acknowledgements during this sequence, which I love. Gotcha. Interesting. Fascinating. Okay, well, things seem to be going fine now, control-wise. But I'm worried that the triggers are still acting funny, the leader. Okay, I learned... That's fine. That's fine. What? It's not me doing that. That's not me doing that. Okay, something's going on. That's not me doing that. Come on, game. You've got to be... Oh, it's not even the game. It's something with the controller or the console. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited to play this, guys. Oh, this is cool. Very cool. I'm going to finish this cutscene, and then we'll have to end it there just because I'm out of time. But... present day. Very cool. I'm very excited to play this game. See, that's not... I'm not going into the focus. That's me pressing R1 to dash, and it keeps going into the focus. So, I'm going to have to figure out what is going on, because this is now game 3 of 3 that this has started acting up out of nowhere. But, hey, we got through the intro. I'm very excited to play this game, guys. And I'm super excited to play it with you. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. And as always, I'll catch you. Or I'll see you. I will fight you in the next one. Bye!